What is a number system? Basically, a number system is writing system for expressing numbers. That is, writing a system just for expressing numbers. So we can express numbers, or we can say a mathematical notation. A notation can be a symbol or a digit for representing numbers of a set. A set which is using digits from 0 to 9 or other symbols in, as I have earlier mentioned, that a notation can be digit or symbol. So this mathematical notation uses digits or other symbols in consistent manner. And what is consistent? Done in the same way over time. That means you are writing these symbols, these digits again and again and in the same way. So this is a consistent manner. Now let's take a brief look at the classification of numbers. The number system gets divided into two parts. One is real number and second is imaginary. Real further gets divided into two parts, rational and irrational. We are going to learn about these two topics, rational and irrational. So rational numbers are further divided into two parts, integers and fractions. We have seen these two, integers and fractions, in our earlier classes. Fractions can be proper, improper and mixed. Integers can be negative integer, whole number and can be natural. So this is the classification of numbers. We are very much familiar with the integers and fractions, but in this chapter, number system, we are going to learn about rational numbers at deep. Natural numbers. As we all know, counting numbers are natural numbers. If I write number from 1, that is the least number in the natural numbers, which goes on to the infinity. But if I want to show all these natural number in a collection, how I will write this? Simply first we will denote all the natural numbers with the n, and then n is equal to braces open 1, 2, 3 and to infinity, braces closed. So this is the collection of natural numbers and we denote it with the capital letter N. In this case, 1 is the least number and moving forward it will go to the infinity, that is never ending. Whole numbers. Earlier I talked about natural numbers from 1 to infinity. Suppose if I add 0 at the very initial, then these numbers simply converts into the whole numbers. That is, the definition of the whole number is all natural numbers together with 0 form the collection of whole numbers. And the collection of the whole number is denoted by the capital letter W. The collection of whole numbers, braces open, but this time I will start with the 0, as 0 together with natural number forms whole numbers. 0, 1, 2 and to the infinity, braces closed. This is the collection of whole numbers. This is a set of whole numbers denoted by the capital letter W. In this case, the least number is 0 and the whole numbers go to the infinity. Points to be remembered. All whole numbers are not natural numbers. Because we know 0 is a whole number, not a natural number. So, all the whole numbers are not natural numbers. Integers. As earlier I have shown, integer is a part of rational numbers. All the natural numbers, I'm going to make the set of it. So I'm going to write natural numbers here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on to the infinity. So all the natural numbers, 0. So I write 0 and negatives of natural numbers. Now I'm going to write negatives of natural numbers, that is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 to the infinity. Braces closed. Now this is the collection of all the integers. So all the natural numbers, 0 and negative of natural numbers, form the collection of all integers. So this collection is the set of integers which is denoted by capital letter Z. Points to remember. 0 is neither negative or positive. You don't see a sign on 0 of any sort, negative or positive. Second, integers also go to the infinity, to the positive side or to the negative side. That is, there are infinitely many integers. Third point to remember, every natural number, you can see every natural number from 1 to infinity is an integer. Similarly, you can see 0 is also present in this set. So, just like the natural number, every whole number is an integer, because from 0 to infinity, whole numbers also in this collection.